English 101 Sunrise Online School Lesson 6 Listen and repeat the alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Vocabulary: farm animals, goats, goats, donkey, donkey, ram, ram, rooster, rooster, pig, pig, hen with baby chicks, hen with baby chicks, calf, calf, cow, cow, oxen, oxen, sheep, sheep, ducks, ducks, horses, horses. Sentences: the pig eats cabbage. The horse eats apples. The chickens eat corn. The cow eats celery. The ram runs to the field. The donkey runs to the barn. The ducks swim at the lake. The goats run to the mountains. The hen walks to the farm. The rooster walks to the barn. The chicks walk to the hen. The pigs walk to the mud. Thanks for watching.